Hello students, the continuing about the iron and mineral based industries, the chemical industries. We are going to talk about the chemical based industries. The chemical based industries in India is fast growing and diversifying. Nowadays, you know that in India, not only in India, although in whole world, the chemical industries are fast growing nowadays. Why? It contributes approximately 3% of GDP in India. It is the third largest in Asia, occupies the 12th place in the world in terms of its size. Of these industries, we are talking about these industries' size. Why these industries are growing so fast and in a very large manner, we will talk later on. It comprises both large and small scale manufacturing units. The chemical industries is its own largest consumer. Why? These are questions. It has a larger consumer, it is growing fast, it is having the largest in Asia and all that. Why? Because basic chemicals undergoes processing to further producing the other chemicals. Means basic chemicals, when the basic chemicals are used to, it is produced, the basic chemicals are produced and they are processed to further and produce the new type of chemicals that are used for industrial applications, agricultural, or directly for the consumer markets. Means the processing over the chemicals and which is used for industrial applications, agriculture, and directly for the consumers. Where we use these chemicals? We use it organic and inorganic chemical production. What is this organic chemicals? Include petrochemicals which are used for manufacturing of synthetic fibers. See, we have studied now here industrial application. Where do we use industrial application? These are synthetic fibers, synthetic rubbers. Means synthetic means we say ना ये बोलते हैं क्या हिंदी में बोलते हैं इसे? Synthetic means man-made. Okay, man-made fibers, man-made rubbers means these are with the help of many chemicals mixing of the processing over the chemicals, the new type of material is made. That is synthetic fibers, synthetic rubber, plastics, dyestuffs, drugs, then pharmaceuticals and the organic chemicals plants are located near all refineries. These plants are located near oil refineries or petrochemical plants. The next one is inorganic chemicals. Include sulfuric acid. These inorganic chemicals include sulfuric acid used to manufacture fertilizers, agro-based. Okay. Then synthetic fibers. In synthetic fibers also inorganic chemicals are used, and for producing plastics inorganic chemicals are used. Adhesives, paints, dyes, stuffs, nitric acid, alkalis, soda ash are used to make glass, soaps and detergents paper. Now after studying this, you can understand that this chemical industry is very important, and why these industries are growing so fast and in very demand. It is having in a large manner demand, because all these materials are used with the help of chemical processing and it is very easy to produce. No need to go for the natural things or agro-based industries. With the help of some chemicals they process and they make these materials, and these materials are having in a large manner of demand. These industries are widely spread over the country. The next one is fertilizer industries. Fertilizer industries. Yeah. You have heard about this fertilizer industries. Fertilizer industries is also based on the chemical industries, na? Because with the processing of the chemicals, we make a fertilizers. The first fertilizer plant in India was set up at Ranipat. Point out this sentence. This first fertilizer plant in India was set up at Ranipat in Tamil Nadu, that is in 1906. The fertilizer industries is centered around the production of nitrogenous fertilizers. At present, there are 10 public sectors. Public sector means government sectors undertaking one in cooperative sectors at Hazira in Gujarat under the Fertilizers Corporation of India. The distribution of these industries means fertilizer industries and the chemical industries are Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Kerala produces more than half of the total fertilizer production in India. Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Kerala. See, all the agro-based industries, agro-based places, they depend on these industries, fertilizer industries. That is why these places are having the agro-based place and they are depend on these industries. Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka are other important producers because of the easy availability of natural gas and fertilizers. Fertilizer industry is widely spread in the country. Next, production. India produces about 1 million tons of nitrogenous, 4 million tons of phosphatic and 1.7 million tons of potassic fertilizers. The country is required to import potassium from abroad. For the potassium chemicals, we need to import from other countries. Thank you very much, students.